Let's quickly solve this question here. We have two boys won a cash prize of 150,000 in a competition. If the first boy received 75,000, find the ratio of the sharing. Solution. Now we have two boys won a cash prize. Two boys. One of the boys received. So let's say first boy gets 75,000 naira. Then the second boy gets is going to be the total amount received 150, because total price is 150 and the first gets 75. So the second boy will get 150,000 minus 75,000, and that's going to give us 75,000. It means the second boy also gets 75,000. We are asked to find the ratio of their sharing. Now, to calculate or to get the ratio of their sharing is going to be amount first boy get ratio amount second boy get. The first boy, the amount received by the first boy is 75,000, ratio amount received by the second boy is 75,000 as well too. 75,000. So we'll put that as 75,000. 75,000 ratio 75,000 same thing as 75,000 over 75,000. So simplify to the lowest term. Here is going to give us 1 over 1. That means we have 1:1. We are asked to find the ratio of the sharing. So ratio of sharing is 1:1. We have solved that.